Hey guys, so today, if you know Cookies Rosie, yeah, so, I'm just, everyone's confused of her. So if you have subscribed to Cookies Rosie, that's awesome, because she loves you, and she has so many subscribers, like, OMG. You are rich, girl. You're like the richest girl, than me. So, yeah. So, I have my friend here. Hi. So, we're talking about Cookies Rosie today. She's bigger than me because she's a size pony and I'm a size small dog. I know. So, yeah, she's from the My Little Pony series and I'm the Little Bear Shop series. Yeah. Okay, then. So, yeah, my mom brushing my hair, and, yeah, so, and, yeah, I have my boyfriend, Mir. Hey. So, he loves Cookies Rosie a lot. He definitely loves cookies. Yes, give me some cookies. Hey, be careful. She will give us cookies. Gosh, she has cookies! So, yeah. So, I have my Snoopy pajama. Here it is. So, yeah. You're like really awesome. So, this video, if you want to watch it, you can watch it. But if you don't want to watch it and you want to watch it if you want it for Cookies Rosie, she can watch it by her own. So, so if you have a boyfriend, tell me. I really want you to have a boyfriend. If that's not really a great question, it feels a little awkward. If you have a boyfriend, awesome. Like, he could be your boyfriend's friend. So, yes. Last time you didn't show your face, and why did you show your face? It's like a great question, like, I think because you apparently were waiting for that until another day. Because it's kind of awkward. Like, you want to make your own videos without your face. So, you do have a real face, right? Oh, so I forgot. So, she's not recording. So, somebody else is recording. Say hi. Hi. So, yeah, like, she's really recording. And, yeah. Is my picture good? Yep, you're good.